What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Team Corally Shogun out. Our hobby, Scorpion tires. But I'm only gonna run it on 4S just to see how they hold up on 4S, and then the next run I'll do a 6S run. Also, I'm going to show you how I installed some green lights in the front. For some reason, I guess I remember the old Shogun. I keep saying shotgun. And I remember it being green, so I just had the thought of green lights in it, even though it's yellow, but that's fine. So what I'm running is the 8,000 milliamp, 120C 4S battery. So it should push should still be pushing on 4S. Let's get into it. So this is only 4S. This is full throttle right here. This is full trigger. Full trigger. Oh, it's not a bad little jump. Right. That 4S is not pushing. Yeah, the batteries keep popping off. That's good, cool. Yeah, these tires ain't good for off-road. I mean, it's handling its business, but it is not good for off-road. So far, I mean, this car ain't bad. Maybe I should have pulled off the factory tires. Maybe I should have just left the factory tires on for this run. Get it? Kind of hot. What I'm gonna let it cool off real quick, then I'll get right back into it. Yeah, I changed the tires out. Changed the tires out, put the 6S battery in there. Now let's see what she got now. Oh yeah, she moving now. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Do willies though with these tires, but it do handle. Oh, it's cutting. This car's cutting out. That might be the battery. No. Yeah, these tires do a lot better. They hold up a lot better. All terrain, so oh yeah, we got it window stuff. Got it window right there. like it's like the right surface on with this car, then you can enjoy it more. For some reason the power is cut, but I'm gonna say that's the battery. It is a power cut on that. Look at that side. Oh! 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 Yo, this thing is staying planted. I thought that broke it. We'll see. No, 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 no. Yo. Yeah, battery's trying to cut out on me. But as always, hit that notification, hit that like button. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.